What a bird thought. First stanza. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Here, in first stanza, the bird is trying to say us that she first lived in a little house and she lived there very well. For her, the world was small and round as well, which was made of pale blue shell. That means she is talking about the egg here, when she is inside the egg. Moving to the next stanza. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. Here, the bird is trying to tell us that she lived in a little nest. Then, after her birth, her new world was the nest, and she did not need any other. Bird is telling that she thought that the world was made of straw. Because she was living in nest, so she thought the world is made up of straw, which was protected and covered by her mother. Moving on the next stanza. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Here the bird is trying to tell that one day she came out of the nest, so to explore or to find something new. But telling us that what she thought the world is made up of leaves, because she saw leaves all around her, but she was wrong. That is the reason she has said, I have been very blind. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made, I cannot tell, can you? Finally, the bird is telling that when she flew beyond, that means away from the tree, she saw that the sky was blue. As she has seen the sky for the first time, so she came to know that the sky is blue. Then she realized that how actually the world is made. She is unable to express us, and she is asking us that can we explain how the world is? How the world is according to a bird. She is describing us in this poem. So what we have learned today in this poem is about the bird's life stages she goes through and see his world accordingly. First, in the form of egg when she was inside her egg, then in the nest when she was small and her mother used to protect her. After that, as she grew up and start to fly, actually what she felt how the world is, and by looking to that she became speechless to express her feeling. Hope you all find what a bird thought.